Hello and welcome to the annual Festival of Welsh Youth, the Urdd Eisteddfod. And this year you find us in Newcastle Emlyn on the banks of the River Davies. And it's a town that's obviously delighted to be playing host to the event.
Yes, indeed, for miles around, and especially so in the town centre itself, where all the streets and the shop windows, they almost scream their welcome at you with the traditional colours of the Urdd, the red, white and green. It's a small town, it's a very warm town, and it's in the centre of the Welsh-speaking area, of course, and it seems to me to be one of the cosiest homes that the Urdd has had for many years.
Yes, I was surprised to hear that the Urdd had never been to Newcastle Emlyn before.
The closest it's been, I think, is either Lampeter or Carmarthen, which is outside the area that invites the Urdd this year, and it is the area, not the town itself, that invites the Eisteddfod here. And in fact, it was the children of Castell, the other town within that area, who sang the official welcome to the Eisteddfod back in the pavilion on Wednesday morning.
Well, let's open our programme with that Cywydd Croeso, sung for us by the children of Castell Primary School.